this computer. Or maybe I can record through cloud so it won't affect my RAM. All right, so let's go ahead and start. I will show you today how to use Figma, one of the most very well used this design. Para siyang Canva, kaya lang hindi lang siya more on graphics but also in management, product management as well. So let me show you as well. Na-mention ko na ba sa inyo yung iba-ibang role ng na, I'm sorry about that, or mga positions in a web development team. Okay, these are the people that I also worked with before with my client. So ang isa sa nakikipag-usap sa amin ni client is the project manager. So let me show you my screen. And please let me know if you can see it, okay? All right, lumipat si Zoom sa kabila. Let me just, okay, and also the chat box. All right, there you go. So do you see the screen? Can I have a thumbs up or a feedback? All right, thank you. All right, so these are the roles in a web development team. So you do have a project management manager. Nagkataon lang yung product manager na nakausap namin nun is also the CEO of WebDaddy. So talagang siya yung mano-manong nakikipag-usap sa client with us. All right, so what's the role of a project manager? So a digital project manager provides focus for the team on their various projects, and they help to keep it moving along on the schedule. So they manage the budget, take care of planning, ensuring the team is staffed with the best talent, and yun, kumbaga yung pinaka-overall manager. Then we do have an analyst. So this role is designed to proxy between the client design and development team. Si analyst this is nakikipag-usap sa client natin, i-translate the request or the requirements ni client to a specific clear instruction, guidelines, and specifications. Okay, ang ginamit namin before dun sa isang project namin with the web development team is actually not Figma but Trello. So the way we communicate after nung aming initial meetings, secondary meetings, etc., is Trello. So nag-email kami using Outlook. Um, Pag may kailangan siya ipagdagdag sa amin, may kailangan kami ilagay na copy or anything that we want to add to the website as a whole, we use Trello. Okay. All right. So we also have the back-end developer. Okay, so this programmer writes codes that controls what displayed on a website. So the back-end developer uses programming languages like Java, .NET, PHP. These language run on a server to create a web page. Okay, so that's why we call it server side or the backend side. Now we also have the front end. So what does the front end developer do? Working closely with the back-end colleague, so sila yung tag team ni back-end, the front-end developer takes care of the front end or the client side. So once the page is shown in the browser, it still requires layout to look nice. In order to do this, the developer writes CSS and HTML. So sa tingin nyo, ngayong ginagawa nyo, alin dito sa mga position kayo? Okay, walang sumasagot. Okay, okay lang. Actually, halos lahat na yan. Okay, but mostly this front-end developer. Okay, so we also have the architect. This person configures the infrastructure, hardware on which the websites are running. Okay, so in contrast with the backend developer, the architect doesn't work on the website itself, but everything that requires to have one. So infrastructure, etc., not necessarily yung website. Okay. So next we also have the UX designer or the graphic designer. Okay. So these are often separate roles but are sometimes combined. So the UX or the user experience designer is in charge of mapping out the website in a raw sketch or wireframe. So yun ang gagawin natin mamaya with Figma. Although hindi na yung conventional na wireframe, but we'll do it a little bit digital na. Okay? So ito ay ang ginagawa nila is yun nga yung rough sketch ng ating website. Hindi kasi pwedeng yung ang website lang natin is biglang kung ano maisip natin yung ilagay natin. So we actually plan the website. Okay, kaya merong initial meeting with the client. Tatanungin niyo sila ano bang purpose ng website niyo, ano ba sino ba ang market niyo, et cetera. Tapos ano ba yung mga gusto mong gawin, et cetera. And then meron tayong second meeting, ipapakita na ng designer yung kanyang parang wireframe, okay? Next, we have the graphic designer creates a visual style for the website aligned with the corporate style guide. He also creates visual designs for each functionality as a guideline. Okay? So, alam naman natin na sila yung in charge when it comes to design talaga. Okay? Visual design. So, ito is when it comes to tech, si front end and si back end when it comes to coding. Okay, nakikita nyo na ba ang pinagkaiba nila guys? And then we have the quality tester. So I don't think I have encountered a quality tester before, but usually sila yung nagte-test nung experience or nung website. Okay? So baka lumabas hindi pala siya kasama sa ano. Alright. So now, alam niyo na kung saan yung iba-ibang positions na pwede niyong puntahan kasi malapit na po kayo matapos. So baka nagpipilit kayo sa architect hindi naman tungkol sa website si architect. In charge siya sa technicalities and hardware, etc. Infrastructure. Okay? So let's look into this and into this. Ito kasi hardcore coding to eh. So yung back end. All right, so that's it for that. Let me go ahead also and um, show you what a wireframe is. So meron tayong tatlong term. We are the wireframe, mockup, and prototype. So when we say wireframe, ganito siya para sang sketch. Actually, ini-sketch talaga yan during the old times. Sa papel, pwede sa bond paper, lalo na 'pag kausap mo si client at hindi ka magaling or mabilis mag-type, magdo-drawing ka. Halimbawa, kung meron na silang visual ano. Pero yung client ko kasi dati is, hindi siya mas specific when it comes to yung layout, pero specific siya sa, kung anong feature ang ilalagay, et cetera, anong color scheme, and so on and so forth. Hindi ako yung web designer no'n, but ako yung kapartner ni client. Kami yung nakikipag-ugnayan dun sa web designers, okay, and the product manager. So this naman is the mockup. So as you can see, meron na siyang mga elements here. Kasi kapag wireframe, box lang talaga yan. Usually, ang placeholder ng image is box na may X. Ganyan din po sa graphic design. Ano po, pag image is merong X. Alright? Pag, pag text naman is parang yung alon-alon, wave or headline, wave. Pero in this time, Loren ipsum. Kung nakikita nyo yun, yun ang kadalasang placeholder, text holder. So yan ang mockup. And then we do have a prototype. Pag sinabi nating prototype, yan na yung mismong nagana na. Pero hindi pa yung pinaka-final but just a prototype. So nagana na lahat ng mga functions, some of the functions there. Okay. So for today, we'll be doing wireframe or something in between kasi modern na ngayon. So something in between wireframe and mockup and let's say prototype. So basically, I'm gonna show you that. All right. So let's go back here and discuss this very quickly. So in the world of product management, one skill that you'll want in your tool belt is be able to create a wireframe. All right? So marami tayong tools na pwedeng gamitin for wireframe. Actually, pwede nyo rin gamitin si Canva. Okay? Pwede nyo rin gamitin si Figma. Pwede rin si Balsamic as stated here. Nasaan nga ba siya? Maybe later I'm gonna show that. So we do have a lot of softwares to do that. Using prototypes or wireframe is a great visual representation to convey an idea you may have for your mobile app or website. And a way to get user feedback that isn't time consuming. So as much as possible, mabilis lang to kasi alam natin na ang paggawa ng website ay matagal. Tama ba? Lalo na kung full functional website yan. So, ang initial na pwede natin gawin is yung ating wireframe. Alright? So basically, ang wireframe is stripping the idea down, such as an app or web page, into its very core. So this is a 30,000-foot view of what your app or web page may look like. So may malaking canvas na pwedeng doon natin nilagay. Kumbaga parang idea board. Okay? All right, so the focus here is simplicity. Make it as simple as possible. Black and white kung kaya nyo. And then creating a wireframe is not time-consuming process. And basically, that's all what I would like to discuss. Actually, ito pa. So wireframe is usually black and white or grayscale. Ang text niyan madalas is lorem ipsum kung wala pa kayong text. Okay. And then kapag image naman, just like what I've told you, is a simple box with X in it. Okay. Ayan, sample ng ating wireframe. So as you can see, iba-iba. Mayroong sa mobile, meron sa desktop, but I'm gonna teach you the technique on how to do that. Okay? So ready na ba po lahat para raise ng hands? Just to make sure, we'll start na. Ready na rin po ba yung account ninyo for Figma? If you can, kung kaya nyong sabayan, mas maganda. Kung hindi naman, okay lang, makinig lang kayo. And then check nyo yung mga play around the tools while I am teaching you. Okay, let me just close this code. As you can see, may code siya. So pwede mong i-copy yung code niya. Okay, so let me turn off the developer. So as you can see, let's go back to the Figma main page. Figma. So everyone, let's go to Figma. Ayun na nga, medyo mabagal na siya. Please bear with the internet connection and also the latency of my computer. Ano to? So as you can see, this is a very good example of hindi magandang website. So let me go back to figma.com. So you actually know the basic now when it comes to design. So this time is we will put codes, design, layouts all together. Okay. Yung codes wag muna. Okay. So what you need to do is we will be creating a new one. So let's look for create. Pag wala ka pa kayong team ha, pwede kayong gumawa ng team. Alright? Okay. Or maybe I can use this. So pakita ko lang yung sample ko ha. So turn off ko lang yung kanyang lay, layout grid. So this is my sample wireframe. As you can see, wala talagang photo. Ano po? Although meron tayo ditong vector icon. iPhone 13. Yan. So as you can see, let me just zoom in. Okay, this is the layout or the wireframe that I created for a sample shoe shop. All right. So as you can see, Edison's Kick. So built to last shop. So this is for mobile kung napapansin nyo. Okay. Kumbaga pag responsive siya, ito yung itsura niya. Kadalasan ng mga customers ay nagbubukas ng website saan? Sa mobile, guys. So i-priority natin yung mobile over the desktop. Okay, so as you can see, ayan siya. So we do have a carousel here. Later, I'm gonna upload the carousel so that you can actually view it if you want to. And then, ayan, we also have our footer. And then I created a website version or a desktop version. Maganda kasi ang una is mobile version. Okay, so as you can see, instead of nav bar or instead of the hamburger icon, we do have here um, the navigation itself. And then you have a shopping cart since this is a shop, a retail shop. And then we have find. So those are the two basic functionalities na dapat nasa navigation natin. All right, so as you can see, we have a header, pinakamalaking header. Ito yung H1 natin. And then we do have our body copy. Okay. And then we have a call to action. Then we have the hero image. Next, we have, yan na nga, yung mga categories, ating carousel slider. Right? So, kung kaya nyo sabayan ha, sabayan nyo. Kung hindi naman, okay lang. Sir, same lang po ba ang role ng UI UX designer to business analyst? When it comes to business analyst kasi, it's more broad kaysa sa UI UX. So basically ang kanilang ginagawa si UI UX designer is more on uh, with the experience of the customer or the consumer. Paano magiging mas madali sa kanila yung experience sa pag-browse, sa paggamit ng website. And then si business analyst is more on when it comes to the commerce side, but can be also the same as the UI UX. All right? Sorry medyo nalilate kung nababasa yung mga questions nyo. Okay, let's go ahead. Ayoko kasi mawala yung resources ko. So the first thing you need to do is to be familiarized with this one. Okay, let me just sorry, just a moment. Nasaan na ang Zoom ko? Can you still see, guys? Let me just reshare. Okay. Usually kasi nire-record ko yung mga past recorded video hours before our ano para hindi siya naglalag. All right. Can you once again see the screen?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you so much. Yung may yellow, blue, and red, tama? Baka kasi yung isang screen ang nasi-share. Okay. So, let's go back. So, nawala tuloy yung aking Figma. So, let's go back to figma.com. Pag nasa dashboard kayo, it should be this page. Mag-start na tayo guys ha. Ayan. So, ito yung mga project nyo. Usually, yung recent and your favorites will go here. And then, all we need to do is, kung ano yung team nyo, kung sang team, dun kayo pumunta. And then, let me mute someone. And then, click on Design, File. And then you will have your new blank canvas talaga siya, guys. So, ang unang-una natin gagawin tulad ng ginagawa natin sa VS Code is yung title. So, for this one, let's do shop. Ano ba pangalan ng shop ko? Edison's Cake. So, yun yung pinangalan
Sir,
ko. Yes po.
maling screen po ata yung share nyo.
Oh, ayan, sabi ko na eh. Stop. Screen 2. Let me know if you can see it na, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir, yan po.
Alright, ayan. So, blank canvas. So, ulit tayo. Punta tayo dito sa main dashboard. So, you will be asked pag nag-sign up kayo kung anong team, pangalan ng team nyo. So, just click on it and then click on the project. You can go from there, but I will just go to, wala na tuloy ako. The team project here that I created in the past, and then just click on design file. Oh, wala, sumobra na ba ako? Sumobra na nga ako sa 3 file. Okay, so let me just use this one, untitled one. Okay. So pagka ganyan, medyo limited pala si Figma kasi naka-trial lang ako. And then you need to type in here yung title niya. Okay? So ang title natin dito is kung anong pangalan ng aking website, Edison's Kick, kasi shoe shop. Alright. And then ito yung pinaka-blank canvas niya. I'm gonna teach you how to navigate muna. So simple meron tayong bar dito sa taas, toolbar. So we do have our Figma, file, edit, view, and vectors. Okay, kayo na lang ang mag-play around that. This one, sorry. This one would be the selector. Okay? And may isa pa siya, pag nag-drop down kayo, scale naman. Anong ginagawa ng scale? Basically, pinapalaki niya yung isang element ng proportional. Mamaya ipapakita natin sa inyo yan. Next, we do have frame. So, ito yung basically, pag kinlik nyo yan, may mga drop down. So, frame is basically the screen. Okay, halimbawa gusto nyo ang frame ay, click ko lalabas dito yung design panel pag kinlik nyo yung frame. And then, pwede kayong mamili dyan kung anong screen ang gagawan nyo. So, pwede rin kayong maggawa ng manual dyan. So, i-drag nyo lang. Okay. But for now, I'm gonna, let's choose iPhone. Okay. My phone is 13. Okay. iPhone 13. So, as you can see, ayan na siya. Pwede ko nang i-drag gamit ang selector. So, kahit saan dyan. Pwede kong i-zoom by pressing control and then scroll. Okay. Or pwedeng gamitin nyo tong pan. Okay. Itong kamay. Para sa akin kasi mas madali yung control tapos scroll sa mouse. Okay, so let me go back here. So yan yung ating screen. Diyan tayo magagawa ng design. Sir, bakit nakita ko sa'yo dalawa yung screen kanina? Tulad nito. Kasi magandang practice to na mag-start tayo sa mobile, saka tayo sa desktop. So gawin natin yan a little later. So, gawa pa tayo ng isa. Sige, pagbigyan na natin. Gawa tayo ng isa pang frame. Dito sa frame, wag sa section. Iba ang section, iba rin ang slice. Puputulin mo pag slice. Ano? So, let's pick my MacBook for Air. Dito sa desktop. Diyan, ayan. Medyo paghiwalayin ko lang ng konti. So, you can play around here. Sabi nga yung wireframe is 30,000 foot. Kayo ang bahala. Okay? Pwede nyo ilagay kahit saan. So, ayan. Meron na tayong for phone and for MacBook. Now, palayuin ko ng konti. So, Ano pang iba diyan? So meron tayo ditong rectangle or shapes tool. So 'pag rectangle, 'yan puwede natin gamitin sa mga image placeholder. Kung gusto niyong lagyan ng X, puwede niyo namang lagyan ng X, kayong bahala. Pero ako kasi hindi ko na ginagawa yung X, okey. And then meron din kayong line, kung gusto niyong divider, gumawa ng divider. So ayan, divider. Ibahin niyo na lang yung kulay. Tandaan niyo lahat ng element na nilalagay niyo dito, lalabas yung kanyang properties dito sa design panel. Ano, so dito niyo puwedeng baguhin sa side na 'to, sa kanan. Dito naman kasi is layer, okay. Next is, we do have ayan, iba-iba na 'yan, placeholder. Ito pala meron pa tayong placeholder image. Kaya lang manghihingi talaga ng image siya. So let's go back to rectangle. Let's do the pen tool. When it comes to the pen tool, ito yung may specific shape kayong gusto. So, ang gagawin niyo dyan is, click kayo ng unang line para makagawa kayo ng polygon. And then, ayan, kunyari triangle. Ayan, so I do have my triangle there. I-click nyo lang uli para tumigil na siya kasi naka-triangle pa rin. Or click nyo sa iba. Done. Yun. Next, we have the text tool na lagi natin gagamitin. So, paano gagamitin? I-drag nyo lang kung saan nyo gusto and then saka nyo i-type in and then voila, you already have a text. Later on, we'll customize it. And then you have the components, plugins, widgets, and etc. Now, if you want, if you are a team, kasi ganun talaga sa web design, meron talagang team. Kailangan mag-communicate kayo lagi. In our case, sa Trello kami nagko-communicate. In this case, sa Figma, puwede kayong 'pag nasa isang team na kayo na ilagay na lahat sa isang team, puwede kayong mag-comment 'no. 'Pag, click mo ng comment, puwede mo i-send sa lahat and et cetera, okey? Para may collaboration. So those are the basic tools that we have here sa taas. Sa gitna naman, alam nyo na yan, yung title ng document or ng project. And then dito sa kanan would be share and then dito is developer mode, guys. So pag kinlik nyo tong nakikita nyo yung ginagamit nating greater than and less than sign, yung closing tag, pag kinlik nyo na yan is gagana yung inyong developer mode, dev mode. So 'pag nag-click kayo ngayon ay may comment, wait lang, naka-comment pa ako. 'Yan lang ang pangit kay Figma 'pag, kailangan mong i-click uli para ano. Okay, so 'pag clinick niyo siya makikita niyo yung kanyang div with a style of with gano'n, alright? So yun yung pinakataas. Now let's go to the layers, bar here, okay? Let's just delete muna 'to para at saka yung the dev mode, let me turn it off. Okay, delete ko lahat. Sige, highlight ko na. Alright. Ayan. So nakikita nyo, mag-start tayo sa page. So meron tayong tinatawag na page. Ang page is basically iba-ibang area kung saan pwede kayong gumawa ng project. Kung gusto nyo halimbawa is itong page na to is for wireframe, din rename ko lang yung page ng wireframe. Wireframe. Okay? Kung gusto kong gumawa ng another page, okay, for my resources, kasi dapat ipine-prepare na natin yung resources in advance, we can definitely do that. So I actually have a resource here that I would like to use. Okay? So these are my resources kasi. So minsan ipapakita mo rin to actually sa team and sa client if required. So I prepared here like my logo, the first one. Ito i-frame lang din to ha. Kahit na anong size okay lang. Pero mas maganda kung magkakasing size. So we have the logo here. Ayan na yung aking mga logo. May maliit, may malaki, etc. Then we have our icon na gagamitin natin, yung hamburger, yung search, yung shop, and ito, let's delete this. I also have here icons for my social media or for the website social media accounts. And then hero image, we also have our arrow, two types of arrow, drop down and left and right. And we also have just in case if it's a web app. Okay. Now, dito ko rin nilalagay yung mga colors, color palette. So, since ang gagamitin ko lang naman kasi is grayscale, kasi nga Warframe lang to, ito lang po ang palette ko. Or kahit actually, imano-mano ko na nga lang later. Okay? So, we do have a copy. Alam niyo na kung ano yung copy ha. Tinuro na sa atin. So, basically, copy is yung mismong text na ginagamit natin so that they would know about specific function and specific information about us na mapapaano natin sila, mapapa-entice mag-click. Okay? All right. So, ayan po yung aking kinopya din. Actually, kinopya ko lang din ito. So, credits to Butter Academy. Next, we also have our footers links, nav links. So, nilagay na rin dyan. So, my account, help, about, legal, and you also have your um, copyright statement here, copyright text. All right. So, since it's all prepared na, as you can see here, let me go back to the other page. Paano kayo mag-go back sa other page? Kiklik nyo lang tong page part. Guys, medyo kita nyo ba or masyadong maliliit yung text? Sige, okay naman daw. So, i-click nyo yung wireframe para bumalik kayo doon sa page ng wireframe. Dito tayo magwo-work on kasi. Okay? And resources, kapag kokopya kayo ng resources, click nyo lang yung resources. Ito yung page section. Now, itong babang na ito, these are the frame section and layers. Frame and layer section. So, anong nandyan? So, ang pinakauna is yung pag meron parang hashtag, yan yung frame yan yung frame natin. So, as you can see, we have two. Dalawa lang kasi yung ginawa ko. So we have the iPhone frame or mobile frame and we have the MacBook Air frame. Okay? So pag tayo ay naglagay ng isang element dyan or component, for example, rectangle, then magkakaroon ng layer sa ilalim kung saan nyo ilalagay. So ililipat ko sa kabila, pumunta naman sa MacBook dito, as you can see. So that is basically frames and layer. Now, sir, di ba may nabanggit kang 12 columns? Yes, meron din po ditong columns. So, punta tayo sa MacBook. Okay, click nyo itong sa side ha, wag ito. So, click yung side and then lalabas po itong design panel ni MacBook Air. So, ang nakalagay dito is, pakita natin sa inyo, ito yung position. Kumbaga sa Canva, meron din tayong position tab kung saan na pwede kayong mag-automatic center, automatic left, i-distribute automatically. Ayan po siya. Okay? Dahil wala tayong elements dito, naka-grade scale, grade out siya. Next, we have the frame kung gusto nyo i-adjust. Kaya lang, ang ina-advise ko sa una pa lang, iset nyo na kung ano yung frame size nyo. Mamili na lang kayo dun kaysa mag-adjust kayo manually. Kasi nababago kasi yung mga elements sa loob. Okay? Next, we do have auto layout. I don't usually use auto layout. Ito ang ginagamit natin. So, layout grid. Do you see this, guys? Or masyado maliit? Kasi gagamitin natin to lagi. So, let's add a layout grid. So, paano yun? Ipa-plus sign. So, ang dami nito, grid 10 pixel, wag to. So, paano natin babaguhin? Click nyo lang itong grid icon. Yan. And then, makikita nyo dito may drop down. Please choose column. Kasi yan ang gagamitin natin. Yan din yung ginagamit natin sa VS Code, pati sa Canva. So, dito sa count, pili kayo ng 12. So, yan ang standard natin guys, 12 column sa website. And then we do have here sa margin, let's choose 64. Standard din siya. And then for gutter would be 16. So guys, please take note on a piece of paper para hindi nyo makalimutan. Standard layout ng desktop is 12 columns, 64 margins, and 16 yung gutter. Okay? Alright. Paano naman dito sa iPhone or sa mobile? Usually, the standard is 4. So let's do, eto siya. So, pag kinlik mo to, ibang ano na to ha. So, let's go to layout grid, add grid, click itong grid icon, and then click mo yung column. Wag yung grid. For this one, let's do 4. Take note ha, dun sa mga standard sizes natin. For margin is 24. Okay. For the gutter would be 16. So basically, ang number of columns ay ang nakikita nyong red. Invisible yan guys ha, pag sa actual na. And then yung ating margin, ito yung left and right margin. Container, kumbaga, sa atin, sa VS Code. And then yung gutter is yung pagitan ng dalawang column. Okay? Nung mga column. So far, can I have your feedback guys kung nakakasunod pa kayo? Thumbs up nga. Mukhang hindi na. Okay, ayun, nakakasunod pa. Right? Medyo binabagalan ko naman para for the sake of others. Very important kasi si Figma ha. Okay, so what do we need to do first? We need to actually, since we already know how to do the layout, um, and we also know these tools, so pwede na kayo mag-start. Ang gagawin natin is, i-resize natin yung kanyang height. Tama? Yung ating width standard, yan ha, huwag niyong babaguhin kasi baka magkagulo-gulo. So, paano natin binabago yung height? Dinadrag lang po natin ha. So, i-click nyo kung ano yung babaguhin yung frame. Kay-click ko si MacBook. And then, as you can see here, pag tinignan nyo sa ilalim, may lalabas na arrow to drag. Okay? Ang gawin nyo is press control habang dinadrag nyo. Ha? Guys, press control. Hindi po pwedeng hindi kasi mababago yung laman pag may laman na yan. Ito ding isa, so punta naman kayo, wag niyong i-click basta ha kasi hindi gagana. So what you need to do is to click the iPhone here and then saka nyo siya i-drag ng nagko-control kayo. Okay, kasi hindi kasya sa isang ganyan lang yung web page. Right? So palakihin pa natin. Okay. So okay na, nakakasunod pa guys ano. So what we need to do first is check the resources. So let's check the resources. Hey resources, what are the parts of my website? Hindi ko pala na-include. Okay, okay, didictate ko na lang. Nasa na iyon? Wala. All right. So the first part would be the menu. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a rectangle. So click here and then choose rectangle. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. Ima-match ko lang siya sa width. Alright, so for example, this would be our menu, okay, or navigation. So, babaguhin ko yung kanyang kulay ha, guys. So, paano magbago ng kulay? Ito, dito sa side. Tandaan nyo, pag may kinlik kayong element, ito yung property niya sa kanan. So, ang ibig sabihin ng background color dyan is fill. Kung sa VS Code color or background color dito fill, laging fill ha. So pag rectangle siya, let's do black and white. Fill, ayan. Okay, and then let me add a text, a simple text here. So let me type in navigation. So, ayan siya. Medyo palakihin natin. So, nasaan ang properties nitong text? Nandito pa rin sa kanan. So, kung napapansin nyo, let me zoom in para kita nyo. Okay? Meron tayo ditong parts. So, pag itong unang part is where you would like to position it in the screen. So, you can position it on the left, in the middle, on the right. Okay? So, I want it here kasi nandito yung ating, tandaan nyo, ito yung ating guidelines. So, dun tayo sa guidelines. Alright? And then, let's color it. Saan kino-color, sir? Wala akong makitang text color. Ito pong fill. Kung text yan, fill pa rin. So, let's fill it, kunyari is red or let's do white na lang. Okay? Saan ang size, sir? Dito po ang size. Ito, nakikita nyo dito sa gitna, sa text. So, let's choose maybe 24? Yan, 24. Alright. So, yan na siya. So, let's go ahead and copy this part. I would like to have, kung magka-copy kayo parehas, pwede nyo i-highlight na lang. And then, instead na Control-C and Control-V, which is pwede rin, gamit na lang kayo ng Alt. I-hold nyo yung Alt habang dinadrag nyo silang dalawa. Okay? So, let's do it here. Okay, gusto ko ito ay kulay para iba-iba yung part, kulay ng part. So ito is medyo gray, dark gray. Like that. Okay. And then kukunin ko si rectangle, pabababain ko dito. So kunyari ito yung gusto kong part na hero image diyan. Okay? So ito igitna ko lang dito sa gitna. Okay. Next, what I'm gonna do, oh sorry, this would be the promo area kung nasaan yung hero image. Take note of the areas, guys, ha. Next, I'm gonna copy this. So, highlight parehas and then press Alt. Ibaba ko lang siya sa baba. Okay. And then, I want this, siguro I want this white. There you go. Kaya lang pati yung text naging white. So, let me find the text. Ayun. So, nandito siya. So, click ko lang dito, fill, para maging black yung kulay niya. Okay? So, meron niyang white, guys. Hindi lang kita. Alright? Okay. So this one, ang ipapangalan ko dito as the second one for shops natin is category for shop layout. Mamaya you will know why it is category. So copy ko lang uli itong isa and then paste ko dito. Ayan. Automatic naman siya nag-i-snap. And then I will name this as products. Products. So dito nakalagay yung ating new release, top seller, or top shoes, or top bags. Kayo na bahala. Okay? Alright, so another one would be our mailing list. Siyempre, para sila is nakasubscribe sa atin, merong laging newsletter. Kailangan nila ng mag-sign up kasi nakakatulong siya sa marketing. Okay, ayan yung ating tinatawag na mailing list or newsletter. So lista nyo lang muna guys. Kung kaya nyo mag-follow, mas maganda. Next, we will have our footer. So sige, footer na. Drag ko lang to alt while dragging the box. So hindi ko pala naisama yung ano. So highlight ko lahat. And then alt drag down. Alright. So this would be the footer part. Kaya lang masyadong malaki. So siguro ang footer is ganyan lang kalaki. Then I will name it footer. Okay. And then yung ating yung ating iPhone frame. So click ko yung iPhone frame and then I'm gonna press control while dragging it up. Ayan, para alisin ko yung sobra. So you have your what we call the content block, yung skeleton ng ating website. So wag muna itong desktop ha, dito manggagaling lahat ng laman ni desktop. Okay? So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to copy everything, or no, not copy, highlight everything. And then, i-move ko siya sa side. Wait lang. Um, Bakit nakaka-copy pati yung ano? Ayan. So, i-move ko sa side muna ha, guys. So, this one. Tapos baguhin ko lang ng ano yung kulay ng page, babaguhin ko. Para medyo ano. Let's make it a little bit more beigey type. There we go. Grayish. Okay. So what is this for? Para alam ko kung ano yung katapat kasi kailangan walang laman siya. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight all the boxes. Iwasan yung mapasama yung text ha. So yung boxes lang. Ito, yan, highlight ko sila. And then paliitin ko po. Siguro mga ganito. Ayan, ganyan. And then highlight ko naman lahat ng text. Iingatan kong wag sumama yung box. So dito lang sa text. And then gawin natin yung fill ay color black. And then i-move ko lang ng konti sa side. Ayan. So alam nyo na yung parts na gagawin nyo. Okay, so this part is medyo ano nga lang, baguhin ko yung kulay nito. This is optional. You can do this or you can just place it there. Okay, mas maganda kasi may ganito para we are guided. Okay? So the first thing that we need to do, buksan ko lang yung aking initial na gawa para meron akong um, mabilis na gayahan dito. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is to do the header. Okay, let's go to resources or the navigation. Let me take my what do you call this? This is my logo. And then let's go back to wireframe. Let me paste it here. And put it somewhere in the, kung hindi nyo alam ang middle, ilagay nyo lang kahit saan and then press this one. Uy, bakit tayo gumalaw? Wait. Mhm. Well, anyway, ayaw niya. Di snap na lang natin dito. Alright. So, paano natin paliitin? Idadrag lang ba natin? No. Pag drinag nyo lang yan, magkakagulo-gulo siya. So, ang gagawin nyo is, i-click nyo siya and then choose scale or press the letter K. Okay? So, ayan. Pag pinress nyo yung K, liliit siya. Lahat. Kasi isang group to eh. Okay? So, ayan. So, ilagay ko lang dyan ng sandalian. And then, press nyo uli yung K para mawala or i-X nyo tong scale. X nyo para mawala yung scale function. Next, I'll go back to the resources. I'm gonna get my my icons. So let me copy it and then let's put it here sa tabi or sa taas. Okay? So I'm gonna drag this here. So itatapat ko lang dito sa ating ano. Then I'm gonna choose a color. Let's do color black. Black and white muna tayo. And then ito ay ating i-scale down. Yan. Okay. This two din, gawin natin black. So dito lang siya ha. And then i-scale down natin. So pag drinag nyo kasi ng ganyan lang, hindi siya properly scaled. So paano nyo gagawin? K, letter K. So lalabas to. And then saka nyo siya i-drag. Okay. So alisin uli natin, i-X natin para hindi magkagulo. Tapat nyo lang siya dito guys. And then ito dito. Kung hindi pantay-pantay, pwede nyo namang i-highlight lahat. And then distribute vertically. Bakit ganon? Ito pala. Ay, sorry. Nasaan yung center? Yan, center. Itong isang center. You can play around on the function para masanay kayo. So ito, move ko lang dito para nakahanay sa column. Nawala tuloy yung ano. Okay. So yan, meron na akong navigation or menu. Next would be the promo area. So how do we do this promo area? Okay. So let's first insert a text. Okay. And then, wait lang. Anong ilalagay natin dito? Naka-italize pa. Let's go back to my resources. Sa copy, di ba may copy ako? Ito. Ito yung copy natin. So, i-copy natin yung copy. Okay. So, let's go to wireframe. And then, let's paste it on the side. Okay. This one is light. So, medyo baguhin ko ng kulay. Black. And then, i-adjust ko lang ng konti. So, ito yung ating copy na ilalagay dito. So, pwede naman tayo mag-copy paste or ilagay na rin natin dito mismo. So, pwedeng ito na mismo ang ilagay ko. Tama ba? Hindi, copy ko na lang. So, Alt and then drag it here. So, kailangan maganda to. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is header. So, dapat malaki siya. So, for example, what we're gonna be doing here is, let's see. Header kasi pinakamalaki. So, maganda kung siya ay, let's play around it. So, maybe 64. I think that's too much. Siguro ano lang, mga 50. Let's do 50. Yan. So, that's way much better. So, okay. Ito ay igigitna ko lang ng konti. Sige, i-ano na natin. Gamit tayo nito. So, punta ka sa gitna. Bakit ayaw gumitna naman nito? Gitna na yung mismong ano niya eh. So itong igigitna naman natin, this one. So this is for the text, this is for the object, okay? Or the element. So ito, ginitna ko, yan, gumitna na rin siya. Kaya lang ang pangit niya, kapag gantong mga header guys, dapat binabawasan. One tip na mas-share ko sa inyo, binabawasan ng line spacing. So ito po yung line spacing ha. Ayan, i-drag nyo lang pag ganun. So dapat at least minimal line spacing. Okay, so ibaba uli natin. So hindi ko na alam ang gitna, hindi ayaw niya mag-snap. So ito, middle. Okay. This one, let's also put it in the middle. And then let's center align it. Okay, nandito lang din siya. This would be our body copy. Okay, so let's try to um, do Poppins. I think sounds good, but let me go ahead and make it light. And then let's minimize this. All right, so ayan, meron na tayong heading and copy. Okay? But I want to save this as header 1. So isa-save ko siya para hindi na ako paulit-ulit later. So paano ko isa-set ito as a component? So pwede natin siyang gawing component. So actually not component but text style. So let me click on this four dots beside text. And then let me add plus sign. And let's name it as header 1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin niyan, pag halimbawa gusto nyong gumawa ng bago or eto, meron kayong text, punta lang kayo dito sa four dots and then pwede kayong mamili diyan. Ayan, pwede nyong gawing header 1, etc. Okay? Next, this one, I would like this to be the body copy. So, let me click style and plus body copy. And there you go. Meron na akong dalawang style na nakasave dito. Okay, yun nga lang kung gusto niyong i-copy 'to, halimbawa ito ka-copy ko, copy, paste, mawawala yan yung mga size niya kasi ito yung main copy, eh. I mean naka-textile siya. Para ma-edit niyo siya, punta kayo dito sa body copy and then dun sa pangalan ng textile and then i-break niyo yung style dito, detach style. Click niyo itong break link. Lalabas na uli yung mga sizes diyan and all the options, okay? All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is, of course, we do have a copy, we do have a header. We need to have a call to action button. So we can use the rectangle, right? So let's add the rectangle here. Let's just laki natin ng kaunti and then center align it. All right. So let's change the color to black. Um, okay, ayan, meron na. Tapos lalagyan natin ng text. Dito ko muna ilagay yung text. So siguro kailangan clear yung ating text sa call to action button ha. So shop. So gawin natin yung shop, ilagay natin dito. So wala siya kasi black din siya. Gawin nating white. Okay. Ngayon minsan inapunta siya likod. Um, ang ipe-press nyo lang is right click nyo lang and then bring to front. O kaya ito, i-type nyo to sa keyboard nyo para magpunta sa front. And then I want it Control B, bold. There you go. I think it's better to have it as not bold. Highlight ko parehas and then i-middle ko. Wala na wala. Ayan, okay na. Alright. Or I can make it wider na nga. Sige. Okay. So, pwede kong i-group 'to. Paano i-group? Pwedeng Control G or pwedeng right click and then group selection. Para kahit papuntahin niyo kahit saan, hindi hihiwalay yung dalawa. And then pwede ko rin siyang i-save as component. Ibig sabihin pwede kong magamit paulit-ulit tulad ng, ira-right click ko lang siya tapos create component, ayun. So makikita nyo lalabas siya dito sa asset. So meron tayo ditong layers, asset, and wireframe. Dito tayo sa assets. So as you can see, click nyo yung iPhone, ayun siya. So ibig sabihin, kahit saang part, pwede nyo siyang i-drag. Okay? Ang kagandahan niyan is kahit gaano kadami ang gamitin yung yan, 'pag bumalik kayo dito sa una na ginawa ninyo, tapos change nyo yung something about that component, magche-change din yung iba. Halimbawa ay, gusto ko ay red theme na, okey, ayoko na ng black. So, lahat po is automatically iiba. Paano kung, gusto ko itong isang isang ito is hindi red, gusto ko, transparent naman. So ang gawin niyo lang is i-detach niyo, right click and then detach instance, 'yan. So ibig sabihin puwede niyo na siyang, baguhin, gawin nating white or gray, tapos i-ungroup ko lang, ungroup, and then let me choose this and yung stroke 'yan yung line ha. So halimbawa gusto kong lagyan ng stroke na black. Tingnan niyo nagka-line na siya. Tapos ito is papalitan ko ng siguro is black din yung fill nung text. And then this one, yung stroke is black pero yung fill is gusto ko transparent. So, ganyan. Or gawin kong white. Okay? So, and then isa-save ko as component ulit. Meron na akong mga components dito na pwedeng gamitin sa assets. Alright? So, let's delete this. let's continue. So for this one, let's make it black. Ayan. All right. So I do have an icon here or a vector image. You can actually download vectors if you want to. Marami sa internet. So all I need to do is go to resources and then choose this one. I'm gonna give you the sample file ha mamaya after natin. Then let's go back to wireframe because we're gonna create a sample hero image. So this one, kaya lang ibang kulay niya. So let's do the fill black. Nope. It should be scale para hindi na napayat. There you go. And then let me paste another one. Gusto ko to is i-close yung scale and then the fill would be black once again. But this time I'm gonna right click and then flip horizontally and do this. Ay, sorry. So K. Don't forget to press K pag nagpapalaki ha. Yan. Yan. So, tingnan ko nga kung naka-K pa rin. So, i-close ko yung K. Alright, so meron na tayong hero image and then body copy, header, and call to action. So, tapos na yung unang promotion area natin. Next would be category. How do we do category? Simply, let's do women, men, and kid category. So, let's create a rectangle here. And then, sumunod lang tayo sa column guys ha, sa guideline. Ayan, may guideline naman. Okay, in this one, I'm gonna put it black. And i-copy ko lang tong title. Copy ko siya dito. And then gawin kong fill ay white para kita ko. Pero hindi pa rin siya lumalabas. Ibig sabihin, nasa likod siya. Ang gagawin ko is pe-press ko yung bracket. Or ang gagawin ko is right click and then bring to front. Ito. Okay? Ayan na siya. So, lalagay ko lang siya. Good practice na ilagay siya sa upper leftmost. So, let's do that. Let's type in woman. Woman muna. Woman. There we go. And then, paliitin natin. Ayaw niya lumiit kasi naka-style siya. So, ang gagawin nyo is, eto siya, wala yung size niya. Eto, i-break link nyo or i-break style nyo. Ayan, i-break ko yung style pa kasi kinapi ko sa main style eh. So, pwede ko na siyang paliitin dito. So, instead of 50, maybe we can do like 40. That's way much better. So, let's align it to the left. And ano yung mga function dito? So, ito's align to the left, align to center, align to the right. This one is, nakikita nyo yung text box dyan. Nasa pinakataas siya. Pwede nyo ibaba sa gitna or pwedeng sa baba. But I want it sa taas. And then, ano naman to, this is for you to, may mga sobrang spaces kasi. Tinan mo to, may space dito. Gusto ko sakto lang. So, i-click ko tong arrow na to. Double arrow. So, ayun. Nag-fit siya dun sa laki nung text. Okay? And then I wanted, since header siya, I wanted somehow medyo liliit yung, ay, sorry. Ito pala. Ito naman is yung dikit-dikit nung kanyang pagitan ng bawat letter. So, since header siya, mas maganda kasi kung medyo mas close together sila. Okay? Ayan. So, meron na tayo dyan. Save ko na nga rin to para hindi na ako paulit-ulit. Isa-save ko siya as header 2. So, dito. is either two. Okay. Now I'm gonna copy this body copy. Control C, Control V, or pwedeng i-ano nyo lang. Nagagawin ko siyang white. Then itataas ko dito. Kaya lang hindi pa rin siya kita. So right click and then bring to front or just type this on your keyboard. Okay? So papalitan ko to ng shop now. Shop now. And then ganun din gagawin ko dito. Ang gawin nating bold muna. Control B. Yan. Ang gagawin ko dito is left align and then i-confirm ko yung kanyang text box. Ayan, lumiit na siya. So, dito siya perhaps kasing kapantay ng woman. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put an arrow button. So, go to the resources. Dito ko nilagay, dyan nakalagay yung mga icon. You can use the noun project, guys, for icons. So, you can use this noun, as in noun, verb, and then project. Hindi na font awesome, guys, ha. Ang font awesome is for ano na, for VS Code. This is mismong icon na siya. So, noun project and then click icons. There you can browse through thousands of icons. Okay? Na pwede nyong gamitin sa Figma. Font awesome is for for VS Code. So, ayan na nga. I-paste ko dito. Kaya lang, i-scale ko. So, don't forget to uh, type K ha pag mag-i-scale kasi magbabago itsura niya. So, palakihin natin para kita ko. Itapite lang natin or i-click mo parehas and then click nyo to. Ayan. Okay, shop now. So that's for women. Let's do at least two. Pangit naman kung tatlo. Although meron tayong marami. Merong women, kids, men, accessories, and all. So yan. Dito naman is simply for men. Alright. So meron ka na dyang categories. So kahit dalawa lang muna. So as you can see, lumampas na tayo sa tamang categories. So i-adjust lang natin to. Itong footer na wala. So highlight nyo lang lahat, guys. And then ibaba nyo siya. Or you can click shift para hindi gumalaw. Ayan, dito. Tapos this one would be there. Okay? So meron na tayong navigation, promo area, category. Now let's deal with the product. How do you do the product? Let's go ahead and create another, maybe this one. Let's do this, copy it here. And then let's make it black, yung men. And then it's too much. Let's try to paliitin. Kaya lang wala dito yung size. So, i-click ko muna yung break style. Ayan. Kasi kinopy ko eh. Alright. And then let's choose somewhere around 32. There you go. That's way much better. This one would be new arrival. Kunyari, arrival. Tama ba yung spelling ko? Dapat dito is capital A, new arrival. Okay, and then let's create another rectangle. So just below the new arrival. So this one would be a carousel. So gawa ako dito ng box and then gagawin ko tong gray. Ayan, kulay gray na pala siya eh. Medyo lighter pa ng kaunti. Ayan, there we go. And then this one sa baba, save ko muna itong textile na to. Isa-save ko siya as header 3. Header 3. Okay. Are you still alive, guys? So there we go. Let's create another text here. Let's put product name. So, kunyari dyan yung mga product name. And then, ayoko nitong style na to. So, ibe-break ko yung naka-header 3 kasi siya. Let's do a hindi. Let's do smaller version. So, let's do 15. Ilagay natin dito. And then, medyo, dahil maliit na siya, is paghiwa-hiwalayin natin ng kaunti. So, dito is, ayan. Okay. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. So, after this one, we also need to include the, let me resize it. Let me copy this, copy and paste. Then a regular size, Control B. What I'm gonna put here is the price. So for example, this is $200, 200 USD. Okay, didikit lang natin ng kaunti. Not too much, but that will suffice. So ayan, meron na tayong for carousel. Paano natin gagawing mukhang carousel? So just highlight everything here and then drag it over here. Okay. Para alam nila na aba meron pang kasunod para sa UI, UX user experience is kita siya ayan no. So when you swipe down, alam mo may kasunod. Okay, so that would be for our new arrival, but we also need to include um, like a navigation box here, navigation indicator. So medyo i-lighten ko lang ng konti. Ayan, I hope you can see it guys. And then gawa na lang uli ako ng panibagong box here, or let me copy it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color this black, okay, or somewhere darker or black. Sige, let's be constant. Okay. So as you can see, indicator to ng carousel. So for example is nilagay nyo, in-scroll nyo for example ito, sinwipe nyo pakanan. Let's try to do that. Swipe pakanan. Okay. This will also indicate na nasa second na siya. Gets guys? Okay, hindi ko kayo nakikita kasi ano ko. But I hope you are understanding it. Now, let's do another one. As you can see, lahat is with respect to the guidelines or the grid. So let me do another one. This one would be for best sellers. Okay. Let's just do best sellers here. Oops, nagiging kulang na. Pero let's, ano dyan. Best sellers. Okay, so this would be the part wherein we'll put the bestseller. Anyway, this is just a wireframe. So let's go ahead and click the iPhone and control while scrolling it down kasi kulang pa. So kulang pa tayo. So patingin nga. Ayan, so nabubuo na yung ating website sa mobile. Mas madali sa desktop guys pag nagawa nyo na yung mobile. Alright, so next thing we'll need to do is, so we already have the products, the mailing list. So i-adjust ko lang si mailing list. Ay, sorry. Dito ka mailing list. Ito ay ibaba ko lang dito. Yan. So for the mailing list, it's very simple. What we need to do is just the copy that we prepared on the resource. Kaya dapat lahat naka-prepare na dito. So this won't be for the mailing list. Let me copy that and put it in the wireframe. Okay. And let's go ahead and change the color. Kaya lang, ayaw bang, ito, fill. Fill ha, pag hindi nyo makita, fill. Okay. So let me go ahead and actually copy it. Palitin ko lang ng kaunti. Let me copy it here. And then let's go ahead and change this to the body. Meron tayo kanina, body copy. Ayun, body copy. This one, I'm gonna change it to the header 1. Kaya lang sila ay masyadong malaki yung header 1 dito. Siguro we can change it. So i-break ko muna ha kasi para makita ko yung size. Break the style and then change it to something 32. No, that's ugly. All right. 40. So let's do 40. That will suffice. And then let me change the kailangan yung line spacing kapag header guys is appealing. So dapat is malapit. And then this one, let me both highlight and then choose this and then center this. That will suffice. Okay. There you go. And then we'll add another call to action. So let me just, wag na ako pumunta doon. Ang gawin ko na lang is punta ako sa assets. And then drag and drop. May ginawa akong asset kanina nawala. Hanapin ko lang guys ha. Gumawa na kasi ako ng asset kanina na ganito. So let me drag it here. Para maiba naman at hindi naman laging black and gagawin ko siyang, wait lang, paliitin ko lang ng kaunti. Detach ko lang ha, baka kasi magbago lahat. Sorry. Ibalik ko muna. Detach ko, baka magbago lahat ng instance. Ayokong baka ito maging white din. So detach instance, right click, detach instance. And then we can already change the color. So let's change it to white and the text. And let's have border. Dapat pala i-ungroup ko muna. Ungroup or Control-Shift-G. Click ko muna tong shop and then palitan ko siya ng black kasi gusto ko black. And then itong mismong box is gawin kong white. Pero lalagyan ko ng stroke. Tandaan nyo yung line yun yung stroke. Ayan, meron na. So far so good. Kaya lang adjust ko lang ng konti, paliitin ko. Hindi pa siya center. So let's center everything. Bakit ganun? Ayaw niya mag-center. Okay, kailangan manu-manuhin. Okay, so I'm gonna group it. So Control G or just group selection. So as you can see, you already have a mailing list. Kaya lang, we also need to change this, not shop, but to join newsletter. Okay, or join mailing list. Newsletter na nga lang. Sige. Tama ba yung aking word? Join newsletter. Okay, paliitin ko lang ng konti ito. I think that's wonderful. But actually, let's palakihin yung text ng konti. Okay. All right, so meron na tayo niyan. The only thing left we need to do is going to be the footer. So as usual, yung pinakamadaming kailangan gawin, footer. So let's go ahead. Let me copy na nga this lang. Copy and paste. So pag footer, walang container. So from end to end siya. Tulad niyan. Okay. And then medyo madami kasi yon. Kaya Lagyan natin yan. And then let's go to our resources. So layers and then resources. Copy natin to lahat. So kasama na rin to. Isama nyo na tong isa. And then let's go to wireframe and put it right there. Kaya lang medyo malalaki siya. Okay, so i-format natin ng ayos. So this one, um, let me start here. Okay, this one, dapat pala hindi siya malawak. So format lang natin into, okay, narrower text box. Or click nyo na nga lang lahat. Sige, go. Meron naman tayo dito. Ba't ako nagpapakahirap? So meron naman tayo ditong, ito yung automatic auto width. Ayan, so okay na lahat. Okay, lahat na yan automatic width. So this one, gusto ko sana itong mga to is paliitin. So shift, control, or type nyo na lang dito kung anong size ang gusto nyo. Or 15 perhaps. And then I want to change the opacity. So I want it different from the other text. Dahil links yung iba eh. Ito dapat hindi to link. So I want it something grayish. O kaya pwede nyong i-turn down yung transparency dito. Dito, ayun. But I want color na lang instead. Okay. And then paliitin ko pa ng kaunti. Yan. Then move ko ng kaunti sa taas. Sabay-sabay sila. Then move ko naman ito pababa. And then the all rights reserved would be something in the bottom, at the bottom, I mean. And syempre, dapat medyo din siya, hindi siya matingkad. So let's change the transparency here. There you go. Okay. And then we do have link. So let me copy this one. Put it here. This would be follow us. Okay. And then after that, we'll be adding our prepared social media icon. So which are these? Copy ko, highlight ko lahat. Punta ako sa wireframe. And then I'm gonna paste it here. So remember, pag kayo'y magpapaliit ha, press K para hindi maging oblong or ma-deform. Guys, pag natutunan nyo na to, pwede nyo ilagay sa resume. Ang daming naghahanap ng applicant na may Figma experience or Figma knowledge. Kaya this one, seryosohin nyo tong Figma ha. Alright, so I think this is it. Let me just go ahead and extend it here para hindi masyadong dikit na dikit. And also this one, naka-K to. Siguro tatanggalin ko ang K. Naka-K pa rin. So X ko na lang tong scale. Okay. Ayan, okay na. And then this one, I will put it right underneath or syempre paliitin ko ng kaunti. Sorry. And I think this is too much. So let me highlight everything except the box. I think that's better. And then this one would be, i-align ko na lang dyan. All right. May sobra siya. So what I'm gonna do now is to actually click the iPhone frame and then yan. Sorry. Dapat may control. Control and then i-drag nyo kasi magbabago. So, tingnan nga natin kung anong itsura niya kapag walang ano, click uli yung iPhone and then layout. I-click ko yung mata para nakapikit. Ibig sabihin nun is mawawala muna, temporary. Bakit meron ditong icon? Okay, so let's see. So ayan, no, ang ganda niya. And then we do have the parts are the navigation, the promo area, the category, dalawa lang nilagay ko. And then the products, dalawang carousel. And then we do have our mailing list and footer. So that is, pag ito pinakita nyo sa client, oh yan, marunong ako mag-wireframe. So magandang-maganda. Then, mas madali dito kasi kakopy-copy nyo lang. Although yung mga to, medyo magbabago ha. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's try in 10 minutes. Huwag kayong mag-alala guys kasi yung ibang batches nga sa ibang trainer, umaabot sila ng 3 hours online. So I hope maka-ano pa rin kayo ha. So kahit mag-extend tayo ng konti kasi this is very important. So let's go ahead and copy this. So ang pag-copy is Alt, tapos kung gusto nyong hindi nagalaw-galaw yung pag-copy nyo is Shift. So Alt, Shift, and then drag nyo lang doon. But this one is too mataas. Gitna ko lang ha. Yeah, masyado mataas. I-scale ko. So ang paggamit ng scale is K, and then i-drag nyo na. Sorry. Ayan. So, okay na yan, I think. Medyo idikit ko dito ha, guys, yung MacBook. Dikit ko ng kaunti. Para kita. Yan. So, okay na sa akin tong logo ko sa gitna. And then, I'm gonna create, let me copy this. Siguro pwede na tong, ito. Pwede na to. Let's put it here. So, what I'm gonna do is, pagka ganitong mga navigation is, X nyo, yung scale muna. Right, so dito kunyari is women. And then ang gawin nyo is i-center nyo, make sure it's center here. And then i-break nyo yung style para mabago nyo. Tapos i-click nyo itong side to side na arrow para lumiit yung kanyang text box. Then don't worry about yung position pa niya, basta copy paste nyo lang. So Control C, Control V, Control V. So gawa tayo ng ilan ba yung ginawa ko dito? So 5. Control V, Control V. Okay. So pangalanan natin na isa-isa. So this woman, this is man, this is kid, this is accessories, and this would be sale or bestseller. Okay, highlight ko lahat. And then what I'm gonna do is dito, distribute horizontally and then distribute vertically. Tapos eto pa, gawin nating align. Middle align. Okay? So as you can see, meron na tayo dito. Yung una lang ang i-align nyo sa ating margin ha. And then the rest, hayaan nyo na silang ganyan. Alright? So next would be build to last. So basically, copy nyo lang yung tatlo, Alt, and then drag it here, over here. Kaya lang siya ay, as you can see, is gitna. So pag nasa left side siya, i-align nyo sa left. Ayun. And then, ang gawin nyo is pagpantay-pantayin nyo lang gamit ito. Ayan. Okay na kayo. Tapos na kayo dyan. Now, let's copy this hero image or icon. So, remember, kailangan laging merong feature image or hero image. So, let's copy it here. And then, palakihin lang natin siya. Namamali yung scale. So, let's press K. Pag pinress nyo yung K, mamaya pagtapos na kayo, mas maganda sana kung press nyo uli ha. Okay. So gamit tayo ng ano. So nakikita nyo, ito ay, gusto ko ito is 3, column S3, 1, 2, 3. So dapat yung ating hero image is dito naman sa side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 lang, 8. So ito, gusto ko may space dyan. You know what? I'm gonna put it here. Na. Pero hindi ko ilalampas dito sa dulo. Ayan, dyan. Then this one, dito. Sa simula ng 4. Column 4. Okay, so far so good. And then what I need to do now is this one. So the category. So instead na isa-isa yan, kopyahin ko lahat. Ito. Drag ko lang siya dito. And then pwede kayo maglagay ng nakalagay category ha kung gusto nyo. But for the purpose of demonstration, hindi na. So gusto ko tatlo. So kung tatlo yan, S4, S4, S4. So apat dapat. So i-adjust ko lang ng konti to. Naka-scale na naman ako. So nalimutan kong i-close yung scale. Yan. So ganyan. And then ito ibaba ko lang. Dito sa baba. So women, gusto ko tatlo. Yung isa is men. And yung isa is children. So men, children. Okay? So yeah, meron ka na kayong anong promo table. Okay, now we'll do this, the products. So ang gagawin nyo lang dyan is kakopy nyo as usual. Copy-copy na lang tayo dito. At least walang coding today. Ano? Alright, so let's transfer it over here. Okay, this one, tingnan natin kung ayun. Tinatama nyo naman kung ano yung tamang space dito sa taas. Okay. For this one though, gusto ko mga apat. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So dapat tatlo-tatlo. Tatlong column ang isa. So delete ko lang muna ito. So dapat ito ay tatlo. I-align ko lang sa grid. There you go. And then ito, itataas ko ng konti. Dito. Yan. Automatic naman siyang nag-i-snap. And then ito is, igigitna ko. So, group ko muna, Control G, and then gitna kong ganyan. Taas ko ng konti. Yan. So, ito i-copy ko na lang dito. Yan. And then, kakopy uli ako ng dalawa. Okay. So, meron na kayong carousel dyan na apat-apat. Okay. Copy nyo lang para naman sa bestseller. Okay. This one would be, oops. Kapos na. So, ang gagawin natin, click natin yung MacBook and then control while dragging down. Okay. Sige, ito daw, hanggang dito daw ang footer eh. Alright. So, this would be bestseller. Bestseller. Okay, what's next? Next would be, tingnan natin sa mobile version natin, the mailing list. So, copy nyo lang siya, highlight nyo lahat, and then Alt. Gusto ko dito naman sa kanan, siguro dyan. Kaya lang, sige, okay lang yan na naka-align, center align. Okay, and then I'm gonna do here is a photo. So kunyari na lang ito yung photo. Pero hindi yan ha. So kunyari lang, placeholder lang. Ayun pala. Ang scale pala is Control Shift Alt sabay-sabay. Masyadong gilid to. So, ang gagawin ko is tabi ko dito. Dito sa isang to. Alright. And then we will have our, last but not the least, our footer. Kasi ito yung actually draft na wireframe na ipe-present natin sa team at saka sa client. Pangit naman kung sketch ano. So, wireframe sketch. Iba-iba kasi ang wireframe. May wireframe sketch, merong ito nga. So, let me actually move this to here. Ayan, automatic niya ng pinapantay-pantay. And then itong icon na to, I'm gonna move it right. No, dapat, ayan. Oops. Ayaw mag-go back. Ayan. Bakit? Okay, i-group ko na nga lang. Group and then K. Bakit ganun? Ayaw niyang mag-K. K. Okay. Then, I'm gonna put it here. Pwede rin sa gitna. Kayo na ang bahala. Naka-K pa rin. So, remove K lagi ha kasi ano siya. And then, ito. So, click ko yung MacBook frame and then control while I'm tidying up. Then, check natin uli yung MacBook. Click natin yung MacBook and then let's ipikit natin yung ano. So, voila, you have a full-fledged wireframe para i-present sa client or sa buong team. Okay? So, si UX, UI, ang responsible for this as well as si project manager, pwede rin. Okay. Ang bahala naman sa mga graphics na mga ganito is si graphic designer. So maraming position na pwedeng gawin. So if you want to check the actual coding, so i-click nyo lang yung dev mode dyan. Okay, and then i-click nyo yung buong frame, wag lang yung isang piraso. Kasi pag kinlik nyo lang ito, lalabas lang na coding is para dito sa card na to. Okay, pag sa lahat, let's see, for the whole MacBook. Ayan na yung div niya lahat. Pati yung sa style CSS, nandyan na rin. Okay, so this is very helpful guys. Pwede nyo i-integrate um, si Figma kay VS Code. Ito, as you can see, nawala yung ginawa ko. Let me just go back. Nawala na siya. Show preview ko. Show preview. Ito pala yung gawa nung pang AM. So let me close it. Close folder. Okay. So may way dyan para i-integrate yung VS Code. Para yung mga code niya nandun sa VS Code. Doon na kayo dumiretso. So that is for Figma. Kung kayo ay nakagawa nito guys, congratulations. Napakahirap matutunan ng Figma. So at least now you know, now you can include it to your list of mastered, sana ma-master nyo, mastered tools for web design, not only for web design but for other tools. Product management, pwede rin gamitin ito. All right, so let me actually stop sharing. Okay, guys, and let me open question and answer, guys. Let me just transfer it here. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions with regard to Figma? Meron kayong medyo nalilitong part?
Sir, yung Figma po ba accessible sa phone yan?
Um, I'm not sure. I think there is an app, Figma app in iPhone or in Android, but I'm not sure if all the functionalities are there kasi meron din actually kasi product management tool kasi siya. So, but if you're gonna do the design, ang magagawa mo dyan is yung web ano, yung ano lang, mobile mock-up lang. Kasi ang hirap niya pag desktop mock-up tapos sa phone. Did that answer your question?
Yes po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay, for the others, please ask na ngayon. Okay, no more. Madali bang intindihan guys or mahirap? Kasi hindi ko makuha kung ano kung babagalan ko or bibilisan ko kanina. So nagets niyo naman ba guys yung kung paano gamitin si Figma? Okay, meron namang nagtaas na isa. All right. So I think I was able to record the screen. Let me just stop recording. Actually, it's still recording.